But have you noticed that his scariest moments aren't always when he is throwing a punch? It's when he stands perfectly still, waits for an opponent to strike, and then in a split second ends the fight. This is the perfect counter control. It's that terrifying ability to use an enemy's own momentum to crush them into the pavement. Today, we aren't just analyzing the art style. We are breaking down the mechanics of Gun's deadliest counter, the real-world martial arts behind it, and how you can train your reflexes to achieve that level of dominance. First, let's look at what is actually happening in the panels. Gun Park is a master of Kyokushin karate and Aikido. This specific counter relies heavily on the latter. When an opponent throws a punch, most people flinch or block. Gun does neither. He steps into the space. The perfect counter control has 3 distinct phases. 1. The weight, he baits the attack. 2. The entry, he invades the opponent's center of gravity. And 3. The redirection. He doesn't stop the force, he guides it into the ground. In the webtoon, this looks like magic. In reality, it's physics. It's the difference between being a wall that gets smashed and being a revolving door that sends the attacker flying out the other side. Before you can move your body, however, you have to fix your eyes. Gun is famous for his ultra instinct states, that black eye mode where efficiency is maximized. Obviously, you can't turn off your consciousness in real life, but you can train visual acuity. This is the secret sauce. To learn this counter, you must stop looking at your opponent's fists. If you look at the fist, you're already too late. You need to look at the shoulders and the hips. These are the telegraph points. Gun reacts before the punch is even fully extended because he reads the body's intention. If you tense up, you're too slow to counter. Now, let's get technical. How do we execute the physical movement? Gun's style is a hybrid. He uses the durability of Kyokushin to tank small hits, allowing him to get close enough for an Aikido wrist lock or throw. Here is a step-by-step breakdown of the technique. Step 1 is the inside slip. As the punch comes in, you don't back away. You step forward and slightly to the outside of the attacking arm. This is the danger zone, but it's where you have control. Step 2 is the catch. You aren't grabbing the fist, you're intercepting the wrist or the forearm. Step 3 is the axis rotation. You pull the attacking limb past you while sweeping their leg or driving your other hand into their center. You are creating a lever. Their forward momentum plus your rotational force equals a devastating slam. It's brutal, it's fast, and it requires zero hesitation. So, how do you practice this without getting punched in the face repeatedly? You need drills. Drill 1 is the tennis ball drop. Have a partner drop a tennis ball from shoulder height. Your goal is to catch it before it bounces. This trains at snap reaction speed Gun possesses. Drill 2 is the resistance band pull. Tie a heavy resistance band to a pole. Step in, grab it, and rotate your body explosively, mimicking the throwing motion. This builds the core torque needed to throw a human being. Drill 3 is flow sparring. But, find a partner. Have them throw slow motion punches. Don't block. Practice stepping in and redirecting the hand. Speed it up only when you stop flinching. Remember, Gun Park doesn't flinch. Learning Gun Park's counter isn't about just memorizing a move. It's about adopting a philosophy of absolute confidence. It's knowing that whatever is thrown at you, you can handle it, redirect it, and return it tenfold. It takes years to master Aikido and karate, but understanding the mechanics of this counter is your first step toward that Shiro-Oni level of control. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want me to analyze the fighting styles of Ui Daniel or Lookism next, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to get stronger. Train hard, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next one.